Hey guys, welcome back to Python 101, and today we're on week 25, part 2. Part 1, excuse me. So, last time we did some scraping, and today we're just going to exercise what we learned. And so, here's the picture that I meant to, I forgot to download, which was kind of why the picture thing from last time didn't work. But anyway, we went over what we needed, and we're going to exercise our skills. And there's going to be tasks on each slide. So yeah, let me open up a Jupyter notebook and no. Okay, so new Python 3. All right, so task 1. Import any libraries you think you'll need to scrap a website. I'll give you a few seconds and you can. So just press the pause and just try it. Okay, so I'm gonna guess that you tried it, and so here's what we're gonna do. Of course, we're gonna import requests, and we're gonna import BS4, beautiful soup. All right, that's kind of that. Next up, use the requests, libraries, and beautiful soup to connect to http://quotes2scrape.com/. So let me just open that up. And here's this, and just to let you know, this is a website meant to be scrapped, and it's a website just meant to be scrapped. And we're gonna get the HTML text from the homepage. So we're pause it and then just, you know the drill. res equals requests.get, and we're gonna have the website name. Yes, we're gonna have the website name. Hopefully I got the website name this time. Okay, so all you have to do is res.text. Oops. And it's gonna show you this. All right. Next up, get the names of all the authors on the first page. So this is a two-step process. So soup res.text, and then inside the text lxml soup.select, we're gonna have the word .author. So this is our and from inside we're gonna select those. So let's use a set so we don't have to use about the repeat authors. We're gonna have the authors have a set, and inside we're gonna have for name in soup.select. Let me put this over here. In soup.select, we're going to select .author, of course, .author, and because this is a for loop, we can do authors.add name.text. Now if we call authors, here are the authors inside a set. Let's see. I know this one, I know this one, I know this one, I know this one, I know this one. Okay, not bad. Next up, task number 4, create a list of all the quotes on the first page. So they just want us to quote these. This is page 1, by the way, and this is page 2. So, wow, that is a really long quote. Whew. Okay, so page 1. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to make a list of quotes. And then we're gonna have a for loop again. So for quote in soup.select, and then here we're gonna do dot text quotes dot append quote dot text. So essentially, it just appends the quotes or the text on the page inside the list each time it runs through quote. So now if you call quotes, here are the quotes. So the world as we have created, blah, 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 a day without sunshine is like, you know, night. Well, wait, whose quote is that? Wow, I don't, some of them are good quotes, some of them are just random things you would say when you're drunk. Okay. Last, wait, no, not last. Second last, inspect the site and use Beautiful Soup to extract the top 10 tags from the request. So basically it already shows the top 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know why they would make this one so small. So it's simile, truth, friends, friendship, reading, books, humor, life, inspirational, and love. So if you just right click and then press inspect or Control Shift I, you can find it. And now we are going to soup equals bs4 dot beautiful soup, and we're gonna have res dot text, and then we're gonna have lxml, lxml soup dot select dot tag item, because it's the dot tag item. So this is going to show up, and then what we're going to do is same thing, for loop soup dot select. We're going to have tag, dot tag hyphen item colon print item dot text. So this should show these things. All right. Last but not least, task 6. So notice how there's more than one page. Like I said, if you just press on here next, it's going to show other pages. So, and this is the link to the second page. And if you just change the number here, you can just go on. Use what you know about for loops and string concatenation to loop through all the pages and get all the unique authors on the website. Keep in mind there are many ways to achieve this. Also note that you will need to somehow figure out how to check that your loop is on the last page with quotes. For debugging purposes, I will let you know that there are only 10 pages, so the last page is this. But try to create a for loop that is robust enough that it won't matter to know the amount of pages beforehand. Try to use the try except method for this. So let's start with the URL equals to http colon / quotes dot toscrape.com /page / that's kind of it. Okay, so authors, we're gonna create a set from, as usual. I'm gonna have to cut my nails after this. For page in range 1 to 10, we're going to have, oops. So first we're going to concatenate to get the new page URL. So page underscore URL equals to URL plus str. We're gonna stringing the page. Now, next up, we're going to obtain the request. So res equals request dot get page. Oh, no, dot get, and we'll have the page underscore URL inside. Now we're gonna turn that into the soup. So soup equals bs4 dot beautiful soup res dot text, and as usual we're going to have the lxml. Next up, we're going to add authors to our set with a for loop. So for name in soup, oh, I spelled name wrong. In soup.select, we're going to have dot author because that's what we're looking for. Colon because it's a for loop, and authors dot add name dot text. No module. Oh, I spelled soup wrong. There we go. This should be better. And next up, we choose some huge paper number we don't know exists. So let me write page. So just for that, let me just page underscore URL equals to URL plus str. Let's see. So we know the maximum is 10. Let's make that 9. 9. And next we're going to obtain requests equals requests dot get page underscore URL. We're gonna turn that into soup. So soup equals bs4 dot beautiful soup. Don't spell that wrong. res dot text. And then we're gonna have our old friend lxml. Run that, we call soup, and here's our thing here. All right, so this solution, that requires the string no quotes found. So right here, no quotes found only occurs on the last page. If for some reason this string was on other pages, we would need to be more detailed. So like I said, if we just do no quotes found in res.text, it's going to return true because like I said, it was right there. But this that's how it works. So here is another solution that I don't know. I'll just show you. So page underscore still underscore valid equals true. And then we're gonna have authors equals set. So we're gonna create a new set for the authors. Page, we're gonna set the page as 1. Now while the page underscore still valid, so like that, so while this is true, we're going to concatenate the thing into a thing. So let me just copy and paste this. Now we're going to check if we're still on the last page. So if we're going to break it, now we're going to turn it into soup because who doesn't like soup? Okay. Next up, we're going to add authors into our set. So for name in soup.select author. So this one I just showed you before. It's not a solution. It's just to show you that on the last page it's gonna show this and it's gonna show you this, and with this cool heart emoji bit. All right, let's keep going. So authors dot add name dot text. So you can see that our thing here is very similar to the other one. but it's still quite different. And now we're going to go to next page. So page plus equals 1. Now if we call authors, it's going to show you, wait, what? Okay, so it's going to show you a set because authors is a set. Alright, so I fixed some typo here, and I ran it, and it works. So here's all the things, and yeah, that's it. So thank you, and let me just save it here, and let's go here. So after this, so you can see that here. Let me just type in Pennsylvania. All right, so this I put a title in case you guys didn't know, and if you type you can see that I'm still here. Yay. All right, so thank you everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.